Hello, have you ever wondered what happened when you put the imaginary unit as a denominator? So that is what we are going to break down in this episode. So before that, could you please like, share, and then subscribe this video? Thanks so much for that. So like I said, we are going to break down how to solve the imaginary number, basically the how to solve the one upon uh, or 1 upon the imaginary unit. That is what we are going to say that I, okay? To solve this expression, what you need to do is you need to multiply, let's say you have 1 upon I, okay? Is imaginary unit. So how to divide or what the value of or how to find out this expression, that is what we are going to break down. So what you can do is you can multiply with a complex conjugate of I. You know that the complex conjugate of I is minus I, right? So you can multiply with minus I, okay? With minus I upon multiplied minus I. Like I said, you can multiply both the numerator as well as the denominator with a complex conjugate of I, okay? So because like you can see this guy is this term is you will get a 1, meaning that 1 multiplied with this term you will get the term itself, okay, meaning that 1 upon I, okay. So let's multiply this term 1 multiplied with I, or 1 time I mean minus I, is you will get minus I, right? And then when you multiply this guy, meaning that I multiplied with minus I or negative I, you will get I square, right? Minus I square, okay? Minus I square. So now the trick is here, what you need to do is, as you know that the I square is negative 1, right? I think everyone, if you are not familiar, yeah, like I said, minus I square is negative 1. So minus I or negative I upon minus this term is, like I said, it's supposed it is negative 1, okay, negative 1. So which is equal to you can multiply this guy with this guy, so you will get 1, right? Meaning that you will get I upon 1, so meaning which is equal to basically minus I, okay. That is it. So meaning that 1 upon I is equal to negative I, okay. 1 upon I means a negative I. So that is all about this episode. So let me know if you have any question. You can feel free to put your comment in the comment section. So like I said, could you please like, share, and then subscribe this video. If you are in TikTok, you can follow and then like, and then as well as you can share with your friend. Yeah, that is all for today. See ya in next episode. Have a good day. Enjoy your day. Thanks so much. Goodbye.